welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a collaboration with two of my friends here on YouTube, Dawn Loves Couture and Melissa of Melissa's Corner. Now, I'm not going to say that we went loco over the cherry collection from Coach. I did that last year. But we did pick up a few things. You guys know we cannot let a collection go by without getting a piece of it. So I believe there's 2 items in this bag. There's another item that has not come. It's been delayed, so I'll have to unbox it later. But I do have something pretty unusual in here, something different in here, and I can't wait to see what Dawn and Melissa have to unbox. So if you want to see what I have to unbag and what Melissa and Dawn got from the Coach Cherries collection, stick around. So I was looking around for my bag of the weekend and it's downstairs. So I don't want to run down there and get it. But I have been using my Louis Vuitton Empreinte bum bag. I love to carry smaller bags on the weekend, of course, and I have not used that one in a while. So that's my bag of the weekend. So Friday was Keith's birthday, and so we all went out to eat for his birthday, and he turned the big 6-0. It was a big birthday for Keith, and then today his daughter-in-law, and 2 of his grandkids came over to see him. So he's had a really good weekend, and then in about an hour and a half, we're going to be going over to my daughter's house because my son-in-law cooked some ribs, you guys. Yummy. He is the best rib cooker. So that's really all we did this weekend. We had a really nice time, all of us out together, and Keith is just feeling really good. The only thing that is really weird since he had his chemo is he has lost his fingerprints, and they told us that that would happen. So weird. I know, and his hair's thinning out, but now that he's lost his fingerprints, I said, just think of the crimes you can commit. I'm kidding. But he really has, you guys, and his fingers are starting to crack. That's a very weird side effect, but it does happen a lot. I don't know if it happens with all the chemo drugs because that's not my, specialty, but it's definitely happening to him. But other than that, he feels great. So that's wonderful. I'm just so proud and thankful that Keith, has done so well and that we were able to celebrate his 60th birthday this weekend. All right, guys, no more dilly-dallying. Let's get into this because I'm excited to see this because this is something that I've never tried before. And I think I'm going to try to dive into it. And I'll explain more in just a minute. So I'm going to pull this little tab. Normally I open this wrong, but there is a little tab on these Coach bags because if you cut into it, all kinds of crap comes flying out. So let's just tear into it. And I believe there's 2 items in here. Okay, that didn't work. I really don't like these Coach bags, so I'm gonna have to use my cutter. It's coming out. Okay. Oh, okay. It's like asbestos and crap. All right. Yes, let me pull this item out. There are 2 items in this bag, so I did order 3 items. You guys, I am really fighting myself not to order another bag, and there's another bag that I want. And you know what? These cherry bags and this entire cherry collection, I believe, is iconic. I just think it's funny that it's coming out at the same time, the cherries. Well, the cherries aren't out yet with Louis Vuitton, but anyway, you guys, I feel like these little items are going to be iconic. I really do. That's what I'm trying to say. So the first item I got is in here. So I'm going to open it up. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm not sure if it's sold out already. I noticed a few things are sold out, but if I can find it, I'm definitely going to link it because this is the cutest thing ever. So I got this. Both of these items came from the Coach outlet. I got the little Cherries coin case. Isn't it cute? Okay, so right away I noticed that the cherries from the outlet, they don't have the kind of the little sparkles, but that's okay. I kind of collect these little cases from Coach. I don't have too many, but I do kind of collect them. And let me just open it up. I just think something like this is so cute. I'm going to take all the paperwork out of it, but it's got gussets on the side so you can open it up. I can put all kinds of stuff in here, not just for change. And so it's a cute little keep all, and this just got my attention right away. And I thought, oh my goodness, how cute is that? So I had to get this, the cutest little thing. Now, I'll just go ahead and tell you guys the other item. I got the Cherries notebook. As if I need another notebook cover, you guys. I have several from Louis Vuitton. I think I gave one to my daughter, but I had to have it, you guys, because like I said, I just feel like all this cherry stuff on eBay, the price is going to go up, and I think it's going to be kind of an iconic. So I'm really excited to have this little piece. How cute is this? How cute. And I will use it in lots of different ways. Am I mad that it doesn't have the glitter sparkles on it? Not really. It doesn't bother me. I do like the glitter, but I just thought this was just so, so cute, you guys. So this is the first item that I have to show you guys. All right, guys, I'm super excited about this next item because I've never bought anything from the clothing line from Coach. And I've looked at stuff and thought, I want to order that, but I never have. So finally, I got something. So let me take it out of this bag and show you what I got. It is so, so cute. Let me try to open this so I don't destroy the bag in case I have to send it back. I ordered a size medium, which is an 8'10", and that's my size. So if you guys noticed the little skirt, I got the skirt. Okay, look how cute, you guys. It just jumped off at me when I was looking through the website. And I love it. It's just kind of like a little A-line, not super straight skirt at all, just a little A-line skirt. Oh my gosh, it's kind of satiny, and it was on sale. So you guys know I don't buy, or I never have really bought, you know, clothing from brands, like especially the really high name brands, but this skirt was $228 and I got it for $117. It's an elastic waist, so it should be fine. It's a size 8'10". Look how pretty. It's kind of a satiny feel, but a good everyday spring. Really cute for spring. So I'm thinking, how cute would this be with a little white top? Or I could style it lots of different ways. I could wear a little tank top, like a red tank top, a white shirt, and this is so cute, you guys. I had to have it. So now I feel like it's going to start me on another journey. I've always wanted a Gucci blazer. But how much would I wear it? But something like this, I would wear a lot. But I have looked at fashion clothing a lot, or the more high-end stuff. I just don't really have the lifestyle to own things like that. I mean, if I go, we went on one cruise, but if I go on a trip, you know, if we're gonna go somewhere dressy, of course I will bring something. But this is just a very casual little look, and it'll be so cute with my little cherry bag. And I just can't wait, you guys. And I have had so many people ask me, I wish you would do a try-on video. You guys, I really, really hate doing try-on videos. They take forever to film because you have to stop and change clothes and things like that. But I might do a small try-on haul for you guys at some point. But just because you guys keep asking me, but it's not really the thing that I like to do. But anyway, you guys, look how cute this is. I got these two really cute items, and I am just tickled to death over this skirt. And I saw a really nice coat that I would like to have. So if you're gonna buy clothing, I guess now would be the time to do it because most everything's on sale. And I was just super excited, and I didn't really know how this was going to feel, but it feels so luxurious. It feels so breathable. And if it's still on the website, I'll definitely link this, you guys, because it's so, so cute, and I cannot wait to wear it. But I think I'm going to have to go back and get that little headscarf because you guys know I like to put things in my hair. I'm not saying I would wear it with a skirt. That might be overkill, but I think I'm going to have to go there as well. Okay, so there's a handbag that I'm really wanting. But do you guys think that the Coach cherry bags will go on sale? Like, I have FOMO like crazy. Like, I want to get it, and I'm going to list it up here. I can't even think the name of it right now, but I will show it to you guys. I will list it. I will put it up here so you can see it, and it's like $4.25, and I don't really want to spend that. Like, why? I don't know, because I don't have any problem spending that for Louis Vuitton. But I'm wondering, do you guys think that these bags are going to go on sale, or do I just need to go ahead and get it? I mean, I need some help, you guys. I can't decide what to do. Now, I think the little headscarf is like $75, so I'm definitely going to get that if it's still available. It probably is somewhere. If it's not on the Coach website, you know, the department stores like Nordstrom, Saks Fifth, Bloomingdale's, places like that, they have all that stuff. So I just really want this other bag. Here's my dilemma. I'll buy it, and then it's going to go on sale for 40% off, and then I never call, or I never try to get them to refund me. I don't know, it's just too much trouble. Once I have it, I have it. But I think I'm going to wait a little while. What do you guys think I should do? I need help. I really need your guys' input on this. So yeah, help a girl out, because I need some help and I need advice. And as far as the Louis Vuitton cherry drop goes, I would love to have the Speedy. I can't say I'm going to get it. I might. I just don't know. I just don't know if I can get it. So I need to be thinking about it. I need to let Becca know what it is I'm interested in. But you guys, I love cherries, and I used my little Coach cherry bags a lot last year, and this is just my type of vibe, you guys. I just think things like this are so fun and just so spring and summery. If you guys want to see my cherry collection that I have so far, what I got last year, let me know in the comment section below, and I can do that for you. I've got a lot of really good stuff coming up, you guys. My STAUD collection is coming up. I'm going to do the big bags versus small bags, and I also have, hopefully, my daughter's going to be on here soon, so she's going to be rating my handbags. That's going to be brutal. So I do have some fun stuff coming up. And you guys, you know what time it is. Join my fam jam, okay? Just join the fam jam. Be a part of the fam. And you guys, I'll love you forever. I will. I want to get to 7,000. That would be exciting. I have gotten quite a few new subscribers lately, and thank you all to everyone who has joined my family, and I love doing what I do, you guys. So anyway, don't forget to let me know what you think I should do about my dilemma. So I'm going to let you guys go. I'll be back in a couple of days. Go, be sure and go watch Dawn and Melissa. I can't wait. I'm going to meet you over there, okay, in just about 5 minutes. Get on over there, scoot on over there, subscribe to Dawn of Dawn Loves Couture and Melissa of Melissa's Corner. I'll see you guys in a couple of days. Peace.